Welcome to lesson 4 of Math for Pharmacy Technicians, a crash course. This is going to be another dimensional analysis problem. So the doctor orders 250 milligrams TID, which is 3 times a day, for 14 days. What we have in stock is 125 milligrams per 5 ml of whatever drug this is. How many mLs do we need total, and then how many teaspoons are per dose? All right, so a couple things we need to keep in mind that is not in the problem that we need. So I'm just going to put it all under have knowledge. We have that each dose is 250 milligrams, and then we need 3 doses a daily, 3 doses. The stock we have comes in a 125 milligram per 5 ml dosing. That's the dosing we have in stock. And then we know that 1 teaspoon, this is out of your brain, 1 teaspoon is equals 5 mLs. So really this is 125 mLs per teaspoon, but we're just going to keep that like that for now. So we need to find how many mLs total, and then how many teaspoons per dose. And let's just say we are finding the teaspoons because they have teaspoons at home and they don't have a syringe at home. They just have an actual teaspoon. Then that's why we're trying to figure that out. So let's first start with the teaspoons because I feel like that is the easiest part. So we said we have 125 milligrams per teaspoon, and it's straight math per 1 teaspoon. We'll put 1 in there just to do a place saver. Per 1 teaspoon, and we need 250 milligrams, and then we don't know what that is. We're going to do our cross multiplying trick. So 125 milligrams per teaspoon is equal to 250 milligrams per, we don't know how many, right? Let's assume we don't know. So we're going to cross multiply. We're going to multiply these two together. 1 times 250, and then we're going to divide by this one, 125, which equals 2. So we need 2 teaspoons per dose. So this was part 1. How many teaspoons per dose? And we used our cross multiplying. All right, let's go back. So now we got this. How many teaspoons per dose? 2. How many mLs total? All right, so let's just break it down from how many doses total that we need. So we need 3 a day for 14 days. So we need 2 teaspoons per dose 3 times a day. So we need 6 teaspoons per day. And I'm just going to roll with the teaspoons because I already have the teaspoons in my head. So, of course, we could have put it back to mLs already, but we're just going to roll with this. So, 6 teaspoons per day times 14 days equals 84 teaspoons. And then we're just going to put this back to mLs. 84 teaspoons times 5 ml per teaspoon. Cancel those out, which equals 84 times the 5. 84 times 5, 420 ml total. So that's total number, 420 ml. So this is what we dispense, and then this is what they need to give at home per dose. All right, so I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, leave them below. If you want to get my full course, this is a crash course, but if you want the full course when it's coming out really soon, I really do promise I have started recording the videos. Go ahead and sign up in my bio for the Math for Pharmacy Technicians wait list. All right, stay blessed.